But a grand jury in Virginia can do that just as well as a grand jury in the District of Columbia. Prosecutors often think ahead to what if? What if there's going to be a trial? What if we bring charges? Where would the most prosecution-friendly jurors be? Now, between the District of Columbia and Northern Virginia, Special Counsel Mueller might well have made the decision that the District of Columbia would have jurors who are more likely to convict if, and if we're still a long way away from a prosecution, but if there's a prosecution, better jurors in D.C.
Now, does it also indicate what kinds of potential crimes they might be investigating? Does it now sort of point you toward the scope of things that might have been done in Washington, filling out the form to get your security clearance in Washington, forwarding Registration Act stuff in Washington? Is that indicated by using a DC jury versus a Virginia jury?
Absolutely. The White House is in the District of Columbia. The FBI is in the District of Columbia. So potentially there could be FBI witnesses. One of the concerns about conversations between former FBI Director Comey and President Trump is it's always he said, he said. If they can bring in other FBI agents to corroborate some of the damning information that we've heard from James Comey, that would bolster the prosecutor's case.
I've asked you this question before, but I'm going to bring it up again because now you have this grand jury that's in D.C. Could this grand jury, and grand juries can ask, just from serving on one, they can ask if these witnesses they'd like to talk to. Could this grand jury wind up calling Donald Trump?
They certainly could. And the president, if he's a target of the grand jury, would have the opportunity to exercise his Fifth Amendment right not to counsel. You know, grand jurors have to be secret in terms of what the grand jurors or the prosecutors say. But I'll bet this leak is not something that Special Counsel Mueller especially minds because this ratcheting up of the investigation, I think, makes it more difficult for President Trump to get rid of Special Counsel Mueller because that would be more evidence that he's trying to impede the investigation.
Right. And just if you could take me through what a grand jury is like. When a person goes in and testifies, do they get a lawyer?
You know, as a prosecutor, I love grand juries because you're a legal advisor. So imagine a classroom with 23 seats. There's so many grand juries there are in the federal system. And as a legal advisor, you instruct them on the law and you help them decide which witnesses. So you have a lot of control. The defense attorney is not allowed in the room. She can wait outside and ask her client what happened. But inside the grand jury, it's the prosecutor who runs the show.
Yeah, which is why they have that saying about indictments and ham sandwiches, right? Paul Butler, former federal prosecutor and author. Thank you very much for being here. Appreciate it.
Always a pleasure, Joy.
Thank you. And while we were sorting through the 36 gigantic headlines tonight, we got another piece of really important news on a key figure in the Trump-Russia investigation. And that's right. Everyone has got it. You know what I mean? Is it our turn?
Wait, my turn?
You gotta go last right here.
Great adventures are still out there. We'll find them in our Subaru Outback.
It's what makes a Subaru a Subaru.
Get 0% APR financing for 63 months on all new 2017 Subaru Outback models, now through August 31st. Your call is now placed in line and will be answered by the next available representative. Thank you for your patience. Thanks for holding. How may I assist you?
Hi, yes. Different security system.
Oh, sorry, wrong department. Please hold.
The best home security isn't hard to get. With SimpliSafe, you can get comprehensive, professionally monitored home security online without the hold time or runaround. Each SimpliSafe system is a thoughtfully assembled security arsenal. From entry and motion sensors to a high-definition security camera, you'll have everything you need to keep your family safe. With comprehensive, easy-to-use protection in the Edge home security. Order today and get $100 off during our summer sale. Go to LeafSimpliSafe.com.
Finding the best hotel price is now a safe bet because TripAdvisor searches over 100 sites, so you save up to 30% on the
back in March, Flynn listed more